Right Reverend Dr. Henry Luke Orombi, Nyesabu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Olapo Tibarokalo Atubor, Koseku Kwapere Ecansela, Lokomunu University akalo na ata mukia Dr. Adrico, na ija nakini kwape Ecansela Lokomunu University Anyetakin. Dr. Orombi nyesikwa nebuna raune tungananlo yareit aija nakin, Munu University lege arito Carlo Ilukumini yareito monaongon, kwapede Ecansela.
Section 30, subsection 1 of the Universities and the Other Tertiary Institutions Act 2001 as amended, and acting on the recommendation of the University Council, the President do hereby appoint Bishop Henry Luke Orombi as Chancellor of Moni University.
Thank you, and thank you. Thank you.
Atupito ne President Jessica Lupepel, na raya pejono na ibuses koto masubana kano, Nyesabu isialamike Ecansela Lokomunu University, kano da sekun, Dr. Henry Luke Orombi, kwape tunganan lebu na brokin, Ecansela le yengu na Dr. Adrico.
When the second term of the former Chancellor, the Right Honorable Engineer Dr. Adrico, expired on August 31st, 2022, I received recommendations from the University Council, and that made my work very easy. And the results are seen in the person of Archbishop Emeritus Dr. Henry Luke Orombi, the new and the second Chancellor of Muni University. I now take this opportunity to congratulate Archbishop Emeritus Dr. Henry Luke Orombi upon being installed as the new Chancellor of Muni University. Congratulations.
Kanuaite mokin ainingosi na kada la somsine ikoto makwapuo. Alupo, Nyesabu ichora kengarinonelo kai University. Aishisha nakine shisha kiko siniluka science.
The NRM government supports sciences because through scientific research, we are able to generate innovations, and these innovations support industrial growth. Industries provide jobs, and therefore the tax base of the country is widened, hence spurring socio-economic transformation.
Dr. Henry Luke Orombi, leurita tomona diop olapo sokosokoma, okarle lukum te diopia kwata kanyangon na kaisangoni kanyangon, nyesi jana kitori kwape Archbishop Loko Igeresan, kidingo karlo ilukuminiare iwongon, kitono karu ilukuminiare itomonare, neda bui yanguna kotomai jana kine kanisa. Kanuka TV East, Alexander Makeyo Kori.